How are you? Today we're gonna cook yellowtail snapper. Yellowtail snapper. This is cayenne pepper. See, we put a little bit cayenne pepper. Then we're gonna grab soy sauce. Soy sauce. A little bit on this fish. Oh, like that, like that. See, on the side. Very nice, very nice. Complete seasoning. Complete seasoning on the snapper. Yellowtail snapper. Very nice fish. Then we have this pepper a little bit. Pepper. And we're gonna turn over. This. See. Very nice. And now we're gonna put on the cooking George Foreman grill. George Foreman grill. Oh, wow. So cool, I think. Yep, yellowtail snapper. This is very delicious fish. Organic. You see three fish? They look very nice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. God bless you. We show you when it's finished. Please check out the next video when it's going to be done and cooked. Thank you so much. We're going to flip over actually for you, just for you. Oh, wow. See? We do flip it over for you. See? Oh, wow. Looks nice. Thank you, and we show you when finished. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.